Greetings, picky eaters! After that phenomenal experience I had ordering from the Lowbrow website, where I feasted on different items from the beefier menu, I thought, why not give their other restaurants a try? So I was checking out Bad Bird, which I'm sure you know is famous for their fried chicken. And something intrigued me. I couldn't resist it. So for this episode of Quarantine Cuisine, we're going to be trying some of the new noodle dishes from Bad Bird, which again I ordered from the Lowbrow website. Are you guys ready? Let's go! The first box we are going to open is braised beef noodles. Wow. Okay, let's start. Oh, mama. Look at these. So, I'm a little confused. So, it's like a brothless ramen. Wow. My wife's gonna like this. So, there's noodles, but there's a lot of toge. And then you have braised beef over here. Some bonito flakes. And then green onions. Okay, nagugutom na ako. Next! Ayan, if may braised beef, syempre meron din braised pork. Tignan natin yung itsura. Ooh. Medyo kamukha naman rin siya si braised beef, but of course you can see the cut of the meat is fattier. Lots and lots of bean sprouts. Guys, I wish you could smell it because ang bango niya. And then next is, what's this? Oh! Nako! Sabi ni Mrs. hindi daw siya kakain ng noodles. But can she resist? The kimchi pork noodles. Wow! Look at that. May egg pa sa gitna. Bro, ano yan? May bean sprouts, pork, and then kimchi. May egg pa. This looks fantastic. I can only imagine the play of flavors that is going on in this bowl. Beautiful symphony in your mouth. Nice. Oh, wow. Those spicy lovers out there, we have Tantan Men. Oh, wow. Look at that. Okay. You have the crumbled meat. Some mushrooms to go with the bean sprouts. And the bonito flakes. Heavily spicy. I can feel the piercing sharpness of the chili went up my nose when I went in for a little sniff. Hopefully manageable naman yung heat, yeah? Okay, so there are two boxes. And this is, oh yes, I could not resist. Garlic butter wings, guys. Look how beautiful this looks. Oh yeah. Look how the garlic butter really coats the chicken. And the last one is, I know my wife is gonna love this, gochujang buffalo wings. So it's a mix. She loves gochujang and she loves buffalo wings. Together, they made sweet love. And the result is this box of wings. Oh yeah. Let's give this all a try. Alright guys, I'm now gonna try the braised pork. I mixed in the egg already. It's hard to get all of this in one bite. Wow. It's like a brothless ramen, guys. That is absolutely fantastic. All the components you love about ramen without the soup. The noodles are beautiful and chewy to the bite. The pork is cooked beautifully. I believe it's bonito flakes adds a smokiness to it. The green onions adds a nice zing. While the egg has a phenomenal creaminess that kind of tempers all the flavors from going too overboard. So far with this pork, I'm loving it. Let's try the beef. Right, braised beef. Right, let's bite into the beef brisket. Wow, this brisket should be a rice meal. Is it? Bad bird, if it isn't, it should be. But as a noodle meal, it works as well. That is so good. Similar components to the braised pork, but instead, of course, you have the beef seasoned masterfully. Whatever it was braised in, it's soaked in the seasoning perfectly. Every time your teeth sinks into the meat, you get a burst of flavor. It's phenomenal. Woo! Okay, so now we're gonna be trying the spicier stuff. Let's start with the kimchi pork noodles. It's very daunting because the noodles are fiery red, so you're expecting an explosion of heat in your mouth. Try to capture everything into one bite. Wish me that, guys. Yep, it's spicy. That is spicy. Woo! Spicy but good. I'm not the biggest kimchi fan, but if you like kimchi, then you're gonna enjoy this because it has that acid of kimchi that people seem to like, and blended into the noodles seamlessly. The pork is similar to the pork that was used in the braised one. The difference here is the noodles itself, which was infused with kimchi. Sorry. And banghang siya talaga, guys. Woo! I have to admit, it's spicy but not overwhelming. Kaya ko, after a few sips, I'm okay na. And this is their tantan men. I'm a little nervous because the pork kimchi noodles was not labeled spicy. So I don't know what that means. Baka to them, hindi spicy ka. Pero this, yung tantan men, it was labeled spicy. Those who know the legend of tantan men, one of the most sought after ramens. It's known for its spiciness. Wish me luck, guys. Yep, it's spicy also, but good spicy again. Woo! Dami pawis ka. Woo! It is spicy, guys. It's actually spicy pero manageable. The tantan men has that stunning nuttiness that you look for in a tantan men ramen, and then there's like an earthiness of mushrooms and zing from the onions. All of a sudden, as you start chewing, the chili sauce suddenly begins to build up, and bam! Next thing you know, your tongue is on fire. However, as you continue to eat, the egg, I believe, helps temper it naman. Doesn't make it go too overboard, but I would say this is the spiciest I would go. Whew! But it's really good. Let's try the wings. Gochujang buffalo wings. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of freaking me out. I'm expecting this to be really spicy. Judging from the oil that's spread all over the plate, it really looks like it's going to be. You only live once. Not spicy. It looks are deceiving. Oh no, it is spicy, but once you got past the kimchi and the tantan men, kaya mo na to. It's actually really good. You know that it has the acid that you know from buffalo, a little buttery as well, and then there is that, how do you say it, almost earthiness from the gochujang. Okay, and for the grand finale, we are gonna try the buttered garlic wings. Looks beautiful. Look how it's speckled with that. What is it? Like a crushed garlic soaked in butter extravaganza. That's so good. What I love about it is that it's not just the skin that's flavorful. The meat juicy and has a garlic kick. And the butter gives it like some sort of sweetness, but just gentle, just to make sure it doesn't go over pungent. Clean off the bone. So my friends, the new noodles of Bad Bird is a knockout. You have got to try it. From the braised pork to the braised beef to the kimchi pork and the tantan men, you can't go wrong. There is a noodle dish that will fit your flavor palette. And from the wings, I've only tried 2, but both were winners in my book. So guys, remember, if you want to order from Bad Bird any of these amazing dishes and more, all you need to do is go to the Lowbrow website. If you want a discount, just use the promo code. It's lowbrow-loves-pickiest eater, all lowercase, and you will get a 10% discount. I'm looking forward to trying more stuff from Bad Bird coming soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, stay hungry and stay foolish. And when you can, please stay home. But if you go out, wear a mask. Thanks, guys.